Hey guys, I want to share a Dollar Tree DIY that I recently made of this succulent frame. I used a 5x7 frame from Dollar Tree, as well as green moss, glue sticks, glue gun that I already had. 7 to 8 succulents is what I recommend. And this step right here, you can completely skip it if you're going to just use the green moss, but I was inspired by this Pinterest frame. So I was really undecisive on what the background was going to look like. I wanted to see if I wanted to keep the white or if I was going to use the green moss, which I ended up just using the green moss for it. So if you're going to use the white background, obviously you're going to want to measure out the exact size of the frame and glue it. I used glue sticks, but you can definitely use a different type of glue. I removed the frame. I will not be using the glass for this project. I will be saving the glass for a different project. So the next step is removing the succulents from the little pots that they come in and taking out the sticks that are attached. Some were really easy, but some required to use scissors. Some were toothpicks and some were really metally. The next step is just playing around with the succulents and seeing how you want to arrange them before you actually glue them. Once you decide where it is that you want them, then that's when you are going to be gluing them. And the final step is gluing where you're going to want to put the moss, if that's what you're going to decide to do. There's green moss and there's also brown moss that you can use as a background, or if you're going to just leave it white, then you would obviously be done. This project was fun, easy, and affordable. I really hope that you subscribe to my channel. I enjoyed sharing this project with you, and I look forward to next time. Thank you so much for watching.